Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Money Mindset Media. Listen up because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. Forget everything you thought you knew about making money. We're not talking about the 9-to-5 grind anymore. This is about leveraging the future, and that future is AI. Imagine this, waking up every day checking your phone and seeing hundreds, even thousands of dollars rolling in. No boss, no commute, just pure freedom. Sounds insane, right? It's not. AI is literally changing the game. And the craziest part is, most people are clueless. They're stuck in the old ways, while others are using these tools to build their own empires. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact AI tools you need and more importantly, how to use them to unlock a consistent $1,000 a week. And the best part? You don't need any experience. Let's go. Look, I'm going to be straight up with you. Most people are broke. They're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and feeling totally stuck. It's a cycle that seems impossible to break. It's a sad reality, but it's the truth. The stress and anxiety of financial instability can be overwhelming. What's even crazier is that we're living in a time where AI is practically handing out cash. Opportunities are everywhere if you know where to look. I'm talking about real life-changing money. The kind that can pay off debts, build savings, and create a comfortable lifestyle. But here's the thing. You gotta be in it to win it. You need to take action and seize these opportunities. You can't just sit on the sidelines and expect money to fall into your lap. Passive waiting won't get you anywhere. You need to understand the tools, the strategies, and the mindset it takes to succeed in this new era. It's about being proactive and informed. Think of it like the gold rush back in the day. Everyone heard there was gold, but only the ones who took action, who learned how to pan and mine, were the ones who struck it rich. The gold rush was a time of great opportunity, but it required effort, knowledge, and a bit of luck. The same principles apply today. This is the AI gold rush, and the good news is, you don't need a pickaxe and a donkey to get started. Technology has made it easier than ever. You just need the right tools and a willingness to learn. The resources are at your fingertips, waiting to be utilized. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the exact AI tools that are making people rich right now. These tools are revolutionizing the way we work and earn. We're talking about tools that can write content for you, design stunning graphics, and even create entire videos without you ever having to show your face. The possibilities are endless. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about leveraging technology to build something sustainable and impactful. This is about building real, sustainable income streams that can change your life. It's about creating a future where financial stress is a thing of the past. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. The AI revolution is here, and it's time to take full advantage of it. This is your chance to join the AI revolution and finally achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. The AI tools that are going to make you money. These tools are not just fancy gadgets, they are game changers that can transform the way you work and help you achieve your goals faster. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This bad boy is a game changer. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to help you with your writing tasks. Imagine having a personal writer on call 24/7, crafting compelling blog posts, attention-grabbing emails, even YouTube scripts like this one. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their content game without spending hours typing away. Next, we're talking design. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to create professional-looking graphics anymore. With the right tools, anyone can become a design pro. Canva and Midjourney are your new best friends. Use them to design eye-catching ebooks, irresistible lead magnets, and scroll-stopping graphics for your social media. These tools make design accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. Now let's talk video. Video is king, and with InVideo you don't even need to show your face. This tool allows you to create professional quality videos without any prior experience. Create engaging, faceless shorts that rake in views on YouTube, or craft high-quality long-form videos that establish you as an authority in your niche. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools at your disposal. And if you're looking to level up your business game, Tome and Gamma are here to help you create stunning pitch decks that will wow potential investors and clients. These tools make it easy to present your ideas in a visually appealing and professional manner. These tools are your secret weapons, your unfair advantage in this new digital landscape. They give you the power to create, design, and present like a pro, even if you're just starting out. But here's the key. It's not enough to just know about them. You need to master them. Take the time to learn how each tool works and how you can use them to your advantage. Spend time learning the ins and outs of each tool, experiment with different features, and don't be afraid to get creative. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become, and the more you'll be able to achieve. Now, let's talk strategy. How do you actually turn these AI tools into cold, hard cash? It's all about creating digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, printable designs, stock photos and videos. The possibilities are endless. Once you've got your product, it's time to sell it. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are perfect for selling digital downloads, while affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. But the real secret sauce is content. You need to get the word out about your products, and the best way to do that is through consistent, high-quality content on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm viral video ideas, Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails, and InVideo to edit your footage like a pro. And don't forget to sprinkle in those affiliate links in your descriptions and bios. Remember, consistency is key. The more you create, the more you learn, and the more money you'll make. It's all about building momentum. I'm challenging you to a 30-day sprint to AI income. This journey will push you to explore new horizons and unlock your potential. For the next 30 days, I want you to commit to mastering these tools and strategies. This commitment will be your stepping stone to financial independence. Spend at least 1 hour each day learning, creating, and promoting. Consistency is key, and this daily habit will set you up for success. Day 1. Choose your niche. This is the foundation of your journey. What are you passionate about? Your passion will drive your motivation and creativity. What problems can you solve? Identifying these will help you create value for others. Day 2 to 7. Master ChatGPT. This tool will be your ally in content creation. Learn how to write compelling sales copy, engaging social media posts, and informative blog content. These skills are essential for attracting and retaining an audience. Day 8 to 14. Become a design ninja with Canva and Midjourney. Visual appeal can make or break your online presence. Create stunning graphics for your products, social media, and marketing materials. Eye-catching visuals will draw people in. Day 15 to 21. Unleash the power of video with InVideo. Craft engaging YouTube Shorts and TikToks that showcase your personality and expertise. Video content is a powerful way to connect with your audience. Day 22 to 28. Build your product empire. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. Create at least 3 digital products. These can be ebooks, courses, or any digital content that provides value that you can sell online. Diversify your offerings to reach a broader audience. Day 29 to 30. Launch and promote. This is the final push. List your products on Etsy, Gumroad, or other platforms, or start promoting affiliate products. Leverage your network and social media to maximize reach. Go all in on content creation. Consistent, high-quality content will drive traffic and sales, and watch the sales roll in. Your efforts will start to bear fruit. I know it might seem daunting, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. But trust me, it's worth it. The skills and knowledge you gain will be invaluable. This is your chance to break free from the rat race, to redefine your career path, to become your own boss, and to take control of your future, and to create a life of true financial freedom. The journey starts now. So there you have it, guys. The roadmap to $1,000 a week is right in front of you. The tools are there, the strategies are there, all that's missing is you. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Don't be one of those people who look back and say, I should have. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. This is the era of AI income. Adapt now or miss the wave.